we didn't really weirdly come together even about music. It was just because we happened to live near each other and vaguely be friends with each other.
Yeah.
And here we are, like 8 years later, making pizza in some random kitchen in LA.
Yeah.
Because we still kept going. And I think that's pretty cool.
So I entered this competition without a band at all, and really just roped in the only people I knew who were
Oh yeah,
who were
thanks.
musicians. Jeremy's not the original band member.
Yeah, Jeremy's like
Yeah, let's talk about that.
he's the new.
Great guys.
Well,
Jeremy's
Jen,
like
actually,
the
no.
new guy.
We can talk about this because there was a time when I didn't think bass was necessary. That's the honest truth. I'm so sorry, Jen.
Yeah, I think like giving someone music off, unsolicited is like, yeah, it does say a lot about you. It does say.
It's like recommending a movie.
Unsolicited. That's what you did.
You swap CDs, right?
Yeah, like that was
CDs.
Audio Galaxy days.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, I
Like
do.
pirating music?
LimeWire.
Yeah.
LimeWire.
Napster.
Email.
Napster, how about that?
So the easiest way to like vintage internet.
Taking it easy for my
What you were saying, like getting that grab, we're like, oh yeah, let's go record at Abbey Road. We're like super naive. I think still, you have to be naive to play in a band because it's ridiculously, you don't make any money and you're just always grinding. But say like when we won the first band comp and we won like $2,000 and I was like, oh
This
my
is so
god,
much money.
we've made it. This is the big time.
That's it, man.
And
Congrats.
yeah, I'm gonna quit my job at the Old Fish Shop Cafe in Newtown. I'm gonna drop out of uni, and yeah, we've done it.
We just played Sasquatch in Washington State, in the States. That was our first US festival. I think it was really meaningful when the crowd responds on their own terms as well as you asking them to. It's cool. Why are we eating on really tiny plates?
Well, because I thought big plates would make the pizza look small.